Is your external component the Toolsbase module DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Localized application toolkit links. Avoid long manual edits for Toolsbase module by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Toolsbase module, a generic naming convention used by numerous proprietary applications like specialized debloaters or industrial tools to house their shared utility functions. Because it lacks a standardized parent, its absence usually points to a broken third-party installation. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Redistributable. Because Toolsbase module DLL is specific to the Localized application toolkit runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program, where the error occurs, to refresh the application and restore the file. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Toolsbase module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution, not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Most individual downloads of Toolsbase module DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Toolsbase module. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Toolsbase module. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.